my channel. This is Ogawadi. Thank you so much for tuning in. So guys, today I want to show you how I make avocado milkshake. I have this for breakfast some mornings. You know, this helps you kind of lose weight, stay in shape. You know, it really doesn't have sugar or whatsoever that will make you add you know, some pounds. Anyway, I'm gonna be using 2 avocado over here because they are quite big, not like huge but big sizes. If you were smaller, I'll be using like 3 or 4. So I'm using 2 here. Here I have 2 tablespoons of powdered milk. This powdered milk is low fat, guys. It has to be low fat. And of course, a cup of almond milk. You could use oatmeal milk, that's fine too. And a cup of ice. And I'm gonna be using like half a cup of water. And of course, my blender and the container to, you know, to store it with. So let me go ahead and show you how to put this together. It's a very quick one. It's healthy and it's filling. This is my avocado peeler. I just go ahead and divide it. This is quite strong, but it's good. It's good to use like the stronger one though. Okay. Yeah. Alright, I guess that's done. And I just use my knife to remove what I don't want. Yeah. So just scoop out the inside. That's what we're using. This one is quite strong. It's good too. If it's a little ripened more than this, that's fine too. That's not bad. This is so hard, but that's fine. Alright, I'm gonna add in some milk for now. And water. And our low-fat powdered milk. Some people might say it's not sweet, but that's fine. We're not looking for sweetness here. Okay, let me just go ahead and put the avocado. And now I'm going to use all the ice, but I just want to do batch by batch. I'm going to pour the remaining milk. Alright, and here we go. And that's your avocado milkshake. You could use a straw. That's my breakfast there. This is even too much. I'm just going to take half of it and I'm going to store the rest in the fridge for tomorrow. So guys, thank you for joining me. I appreciate you guys. Like, share, leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Remember, you need this smoothie to lose weight and to stay fit. Bye-bye.